product. So if we want to support India, then we have to use the Indian products. And if I talk about this pencil, this is from Dupes, and it is a believable company, and it sells every stationery like crayons, sketch pens, pencil color, eraser, sharpener, pencil, everything. Each and every stationery our company Dooms is selling each and every types of stationery, and we have a good collection of every stationery, and especially this pencil. This is totally not, you can say it is customized, and it at this pencil our the country name India is also mentioned. So this shows our love towards our country, and this design of this pencil, it is four Hot Wheels printed on it, and it looks very beautiful. And if I talk about the color, and it's blue, it's my favorite color, blue. And it's the whole color combination is looking so beautiful, and I don't think anyone have any option to reject this pencil, and it costs only 5 rupees. If you are buying from another person, then everyone charge 10 rupees for this pencil, but I gave you for only for 5 rupees. Yeah.
The shopkeeper near my house is selling Latras pencil for only 1 rupee. So why should I buy your pencil?
No, it's I don't think it's 1 rupees. It's no pencil is selling under 3 rupees. And if look at this pencil, Natras pencil is just red and black, and this is totally beautiful. Look at this. This is very beautiful, and the Hot Wheels printed on it. It's give the craziest look, and it is mentioned the speed. If you write from this pencil, your speed becomes very fast. You can
Let's show me the logo of Domes.
yeah, you can see it. Hold in your hands.
No, thanks.
You're welcome. Anyone wants to see this closely? Yeah, सब चीज अच्छा है, क्या खराबी है इसमें?
Doesn't color matter.
What?
Doesn't color matter.
Doesn't color matter?
Color doesn't matter.
No, color matters. If you are writing from your favorite pencil, then you are writing with your interest in writing becomes more happy. You feel happy in writing, and you feel excited.
What is cost of your pencil?
Just for 5 rupees.
5 rupees.
Do you have only this one pencil?
Yeah, this is the last piece I have left, and I sell all over the packet, and last piece it's left. So anyone wants to buy it?
No.
No? Okay, no problem. Anyone else?
What is the name of your company?
I told you earlier, it's Dome's pencil.
But Domes is a big company. It is
Yeah,
not
it's
your
big
company.
I don't say I'm just a salesman. I'm not saying that it's my company. And the Domes company Domes is selling all over his stationery. We have the collection of all ever stationery. Yeah.
But on the packet of this Domes pencil, it is clearly written that not to be sold individually. Sorry.
Where have you read?
On the packet of pencil.
No, it's not possible. Just because sometimes a small seller have to sell it single, just because not everyone is capable to buy whole pack.
Do you have another color?
No, I told you I just have left the one pencil. I have sold the.
After sometimes can you have another color?
Yeah, if you want, then I can do it for you.
There are lots of pencil in our market. How
Yeah.
can we your pencil is good?
Just because our company, it is the Indian company, and if you have a problem, then we have the customer care helpline number. You can contact us, contact with our company, right?
But all pencil is just like Natras in Indian.
Yeah. Natras is good, but the company Natras is not giving you this type of pencil. The uniqueness of this pencil, you can see it, the color and the everything. It's just look beautiful.
But how am I trust on your pencil? That your pencil is bad or good?
You just because you have to trust our company, it is not started just before 1 year or 2 years. It's approximately I have seen this
Have you-
company before my birth.
Have you any feedback of customer?
Any feedback? I don't have any live customer. I am salesman. This is my work to visit place to place just for selling.
But you can share customer feedback.
Yeah, they after writing this, they are saying that it is dark and it makes them happy to write this just because it's just the someone who loves Hot Wheels and who are interested in cars. They like the pencil most.
But some company pencil like that upper than eraser. But dogs is not eraser.
No, then you can choose our another product. We have also the product of eraser together, and this pencil is not containing eraser. If you buy two
Your
pencils,
Dom's company
no, listen. If
cutting
you
that
buy,
eraser because product is high level sale in Dom's.
no, just listen to me.
Pencil and, eraser.
If you buy our whole packet, then it includes a eraser and a sharpener
It's
too.
also given by the other companies.
Yeah, and we are also giving that.
If any customer face lots of promo through your pencil, then your company give any refund.
Yeah. If you find any problem in this, you can complain us, and your feedback is helpful for us. And yeah, but your product will be replaced.
Is there any guarantee that it will work?
The company itself is guarantee. It's
Okay,
not a
suppose-
product for 1 year.
Suppose I buy it and after 1 or 2 days it is not working.
This is pencil. It is not working. Then you have to sharp it.
I sharp and